Howdy tippers and footers, we're out on the Oregon coast here, but I got some really exciting news for you. We've got some racers that'll be coming on for interviews this weekend, so be sure to keep your eyes peeled for when we go live. We are going to try and get them on when they're available. Race time is right around the corner, so we're going to go off of their schedules. So I hope to see you there. If you have questions, bring them. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm really excited. We're going to have a bunch of people that you're going to love to talk to. So see you soon, tippers and footers.